Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, the veggie days are over. I am really glad. I don't know how anyone can live as a vegetarian. One of the customers was telling me during World War II, the people became so starved for oil that they actually consumed motor oil. I believe people could be that desperately starving. Okay, so I had some cheese left from Dollar Tree, some little pieces, and I had some little pieces of it's tea time. No more veggies for 4 days. You know, I was thinking when I was on that veggie diet, that would be a really bad thing to do to kids. Really bad. A balanced diet is the best. Okay, here's my cheese sandwich. Let me taste it. Yummy. You'll notice when I'm on that stupid diet, I talk very wacky. I can't think straight. But, you know, that's what I get for eating too much. Shouldn't be a glutton, and you don't have to do such things to yourself. Okay, so here is my delicious lunch, and I want to mention a couple things. What I want to do is work on my standard of living without spending much money. I buy this wheat bread. Let me see if I can show you. At 99 cents only, one loaf, let's see how many ounces, 20 ounces for $1. I find it to be good. And then I had 2 small pieces of cheese rolling around in my refrigerator. I buy these at Dollar Tree. Let's see, can you see? This one is Silver State browned white cheddar cheese, and this one is I usually buy one of both Silver State cheddar cheese with black pepper. So, you know, I had some good bread, I had some good cheese, and recently I switched to butter, and I had a little piece of butter. No wasting. Okay, I want to make mention of something. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but if you carefully brew your tea, there will be like a oil on the top. Same thing with the ginger tea. Anything good oil. Let me see if I can show you. It's hard to. And that is what makes the tea taste very, very delicious. Okay, when you're brewing the tea, it's supposed to be almost like close to boiling, but not actually boiling. I buy this at 99 cents only. I like this brand a lot. Okay, so I put a little lemon. Oh, I have a seed in there. I put a little lemon juice in my cup already because it's supposed to be bad form to squeeze your lemon, but you know you want enough lemon. And I have some ground cinnamon, so you might be wondering why I keep going over and over this. Okay, if you can find some fairly high quality food that is not expensive, you know, all quality of life is not necessarily expensive. And honey. Okay, so my tea making has evolved. I put the lemon, the honey, the cinnamon in first. And now I'm pouring the hot tea on top. You know, if you watch videos, they don't tell you anything. You have to, like, figure everything out for yourself. No clinking. That's good tea. I don't know if you can see that oil on the top. Okay, let me taste. So you get about 22 pieces of bread for $1. So say 5 cents for each piece of bread. And I just had 2 little pieces of cheese, fairly decent cheese, however. So this is a pretty decent lunch. Oh, I forgot the most important thing. Okay, I bought this sugar at, I think this will be very delicious, at Smart and Final. It's $1.49 a pound. I have nowhere near a pound. Okay, now let me taste this. I'm not deleting any of the elements needed for good mint tea. I'm just adding some good sugar. You know what I am? A tea genius. All right, let me show you what I did. I can't believe I almost forgot the most important thing. Well, that's what you get. If you don't stay tuned until the end of my videos, then you're not going to find out the most important thing. Okay, I bought this sugar at Smart and Final, and then I just took a sharp knife. Where'd I put that? And I shaved the sugar off, and then I chopped it. Yummy. Then I was at Smart and Final. This is where I went. Okay, the good cookies, 12 cookies for $4. I mean, these are good cookies. Oh, I'm so glad this diet is over. Okay, now I'm going to be back in a couple minutes with some beef barley beans. Well, barley beans, and it's going to be barley beans and bacon. And okay, you guys, God bless you all.